Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a very prominent VS Code extension which is used by almost every developer, which is called as Code Spell Checker. And as you can see, it's used by 15 million developers, and by the name itself it checks the spelling mistakes that you have done inside your source code in VS Code. Not necessarily the mistakes syntax wise, but if you have made a spelling mistake, such as declaring a variable name which is like this first value, so it will underline that. So if you don't use this extension and make a mistake in declaring a variable, as you can see, first value spelling is not right, but this code will execute proper because this code doesn't have any sort of syntax errors. It just have the spelling mistake. So after activating this extension, click on install and activate. Now this will show you this underline. So as you are scrolling your code, you will find out that you have made this spelling mistake, and you can easily correct that manually. And after that, now your code is correct spelling wise also. So here it supports all the languages, and if you make any sort of mistake, it will detect all the spelling mistakes. Where it is correct, it will not show you, but when you have made mistakes in spelling, it will underline those using this blue underline. This is not a syntax error, just you can ignore these errors, but it's still very much useful to use this plugin in VS Code to actually check for spelling mistakes. And as you can see, it's a JavaScript file. It works with all the languages. It can be a PHP file as well. Let's suppose here you declare a variable. So as you can see, the first variable name spelling mistake is there, so it underlines it, so you can correct it. It's a very useful extension. Definitely install it inside your VS Code. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.